Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Home Kitchen. I'm Cindy.
Hey.
And behind the camera is my son Michael. Michael, hi to everyone.
Hey.
Okay guys, and today we're gonna make some cookies. Minecraft cookies. The Minecraft cookies is actually a video game where you can build your own world with rocks and blocks, whatever, and you have mines. And this one is this one can blow up. This is a creeper.
Yeah.
This is a creeper. Isn't this a creeper?
That's a creeper.
That's a creeper. And the size that you see here, that's more or less the size of the cookie, how big it's gonna get. But this is how they come.
Ooh.
See, they're very tiny. So what I'm gonna do, I am going to take my scissors, my kitchen scissors, and we're gonna pull the little tray out, you see, and they're ready to go. 1,
Those look good.
2,
A little bit darker than the box.
3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I think 12. And then I'm gonna put them in the oven at 375.
350.
At 350 for how long?
12 to 14 minutes.
Okay, okay. So we gotta take the time. It's 11 o'clock. So at 11:14, look.
They come out.
You can show the clock. They come out. So here you guys go. So anyways, like I was saying, yeah, it's a video game. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and try it out. You can get it online, the game, download it, and just play with it. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Press the notification button so every time we make a video like this, you guys will get it right away. And besides this platform, we also are on TikTok, on Instagram, on Pinterest, on
True Social.
I keep on forgetting that, on Blue Sky, and what else, Michael?
Threads.
Threads also from Instagram also, and on X.
X, yeah.
It used to be
Twitter.
but it's X. So with that, I'm gonna let you guys go for a little bit. In 14 minutes, we'll be back. When it says 11:14, 11:15, we'll be back. Take the cookies out so you guys can see how they look. And we'll be right back. Don't go away. This will be something very good for your kids. So you can keep it, you know what I'm saying? Jumping a little bit, entertaining themselves and not on top of you all day. So we'll be right back. Guys, so we're back. It went 17 minutes because we wanted to give it a couple of more minutes. Look how pretty.
Ooh, they smell delicious.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put those there, let them sit, and we still have, because these they bring 20. Remember guys, Warcraft, what is it? Warcraft? Minecraft.
Yeah, look at the difference in size. Look, guys.
I told you
Look
it's
how
the
big
same
they got.
size as, more or less.
They blew up.
I know.
Smell good. I'm gonna be trying one of those for sure. I love
It's gonna give
cookies,
them
guys.
space in between, right?
Yeah,
So they can, and I'm gonna put the last ones in, and we'll be right back. Don't go away. That will be another 14 minutes. Thanks for watching. We'll be right back. So we're back with the Minecraft cookies, and here we go. I'm gonna lay them out like this.
Ooh.
Look how pretty they look. And you give your kid a cookie or two, you know, and they'll love it. They'll love you for that. Trust me. These are amazing. They're very good with a little bit of tea, a little bit of coffee, maybe a little bit of juice. Right, Mike?
Oh, yeah.
And here, I think I'm going to do another layer of 6. Yeah. Like that, sorry. Trying to decorate here a little bit. And here you go. There's your Minecraft cookies. Now I'm gonna need Michael to try one for you guys, okay guys? So you guys can see him trying it. So with that, I'm gonna let you guys go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to press the notification button so every time we make a video like this, you guys will be the first ones to get it. And so with that, and also we also have Patreon. If you guys would like to donate from $1 to $100, whatever you guys are available to donate, I'll appreciate it. because that will give us a lot of room to be making more videos for you guys directly from our house and bring it directly to your house, to the comfort of your home. So we love you all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow with another episode of Cindy's Home Kitchen. Have a wonderful day.